Namaskar. Please sit in meditative pose. First of all, we chant mantras. When we chant or listen mantras, that creates positive vibrations within our body, within our mind, in our surrounding environments, and creates positivity and leads towards greatness, purity and divinity. Both arms in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes, sit straight, still your body, peace in your mind. Feel the divine effect of different Vedic mantras. Feel the divine effect of different mantras. Open your eyes. Today our topic is Pranayamas Part 4. Today we will learn Ujjayi Pranayama, Bhastrika Pranayama and Kapalbhati Pranayama. These all three pranayamas are very effective, very beneficial in these days of pandemic. First practice is Ujjayi Pranayama. This practice has soothing effect on our trachea, on our respiratory tract. This practice removes throat infections, removes the cough and cold of our throat region. This practice is also very effective for the problem of bronchitis, and it is also very good for all our respiratory problems. And it is mainly very beneficial for the infection of our throat. And this practice also activates our thyroid gland. It activates the secretion of thyroxine hormone, which regulates the metabolic reactions of our body. All the chemical reactions which is performed in our body, all the chemical reactions which are performed in our body are called metabolic reactions. So, thyroxine hormone regulates the metabolic reactions of our body, and when our metabolic reactions are normalized, then our immunity is improved at high level. If our metabolic reactions are not normalized, then all the functions of all the systems of our body cannot work properly. In this way, it regulates our metabolic reactions, improves our immunity, and also improves the functions of each system, each gland of our body. Ujjayi Pranayama. See the practice first. First of all, our both palms in Chin Mudra, sit straight. For this practice, we inhale deeply through our both nostrils. But before inhalation, we have to contract our throat. We have to contract our throat and then inhale deeply and create a friction in our trachea, and an automatic sound will be created, like the snoring sound of the child will be created automatically. That should not be listened by others, but that should be listened by you. After that, you have to hold the breath inside according to your capacity. But those who have the problem of high blood pressure and heart, please don't hold the breath. Hold according to your capacity. Then again contract your throat, and by creating friction in our trachea, slowly exhale through both nostrils, and the snoring sound like child will be automatically created. See the practice. Like this. I have done one round. Everyone please do at least one round with me. Do with my instructions. Both arms in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Contract your throat and slowly inhale deeply with your nostrils by creating friction in your trachea and create snoring sound. Hold the breath inside. Again contract the throat and slowly exhale through both nostrils by creating friction and snoring sound. Slowly inhale and normalize your breath. Next practice is Bhastrika. Bhastrika is very effective practice for our respiratory system, for the problem of cough and cold, for the problem of allergy and asthma. This practice increases our body temperature and removes the problem of cough and cold, removes all respiratory problems, removes allergy, asthma, bronchitis, eosinophilia, all breathing problems, increases our lungs capacity. This practice also improves the functions of our digestive system, removes all digestive disorders, also removes tummy fat. This practice also removes our mental problems, improves our mental capabilities, improves our confidence level. And this practice is also very effective for the problem of depression. See the practice first. In Bhastrika, we inhale and exhale with full effort. With inhalation, our abdomen should be raised. With exhalation, abdomen should be contracted. Inhalation and exhalation will be called one stroke. In this way, we have to do 20 strokes. Then stop. That will be one round of Bhastrika Pranayama. See the practice. Everyone please do one round with me. Start with inhalation and raise your abdomen first, then exhale, contract your abdomen and continue this practice. With inhalation, abdomen should be raised, with exhalation, abdomen should be contracted. Everyone start, close your eyes, inhale and raise your abdomen. Exhale and contract your abdomen and continue the practice. Open your eyes. Next practice is Kapalbhati. It is also called skull signing breath. This practice purifies the frontal lobe of our brain and removes all mental problems, provides mental relaxation, improves our mental capabilities, improves our awareness. This practice removes all our respiratory problems, improves our lungs capacity, removes all digestive problems, improves the functions of our digestive system, removes tummy fat. In Kapalbhati, we exhale again and again. In this way, we release carbon dioxide rapidly. In this way, the level of oxygen, the ratio of oxygen in our blood is increased. In this way, our blood is purified and our immunity is improved, and this practice also removes skin problems. See the practice first. In Kapalbhati, we have to exhale again and again. Exhale with force, and with exhalation, abdomen should be contracted. Inhalation will be automatic. You have not to do any effort for inhalation. It will be automatic. We have to exhale 20 times, then stop. That will be one round. See the practice first. It is one round. In one round, we have to exhale 20 times. One exhalation will be called one stroke. But gradually we can increase the strokes 20 to 25, 30, 40, 50. You can increase up to 120 in one round. Everyone please do one round of Kapalbhati with me. Close your eyes, close your mouth. Exhale 20 times again and again. Inhalation will be automatic. With exhalation, abdomen should be contracted. Start. Keep close your eyes. Chant one time Om with me. Shanti. Feel the divine effect of Shanti. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhave. Om No Shanti Antariksha Gange Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapa Shanti Aushadhaya Shanti Vanaspataya Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagangi Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Shama Shanti Rede. Om Shanti 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 Shavarishta Shanti Bhavatu. Body feel the divine effect of yogic practices. Open your eyes. These pranayamas are very essential these days of pandemic. Okay, so please do this practice at least 5 rounds. 5 rounds Ujjayi pranayama, 5 rounds Bhastrika, 5 rounds Kapalbhati. But I have already told that in this pandemic you should do 5 pranayamas. First Bhastrika, second Anulom Vilom pranayama, third Ujjayi pranayama, fourth Anulom Vilom pranayama, and 5 Bhramari pranayama. Bhastrika 5 rounds, Kapalbhati 5 rounds, Ujjayi 5 rounds, Anulom Vilom 5 minutes, and Bhramari pranayama 10 rounds. These pranayamas will be very beneficial in these days of pandemic. Thank you. Please take care.